Hello, my name's Kanji Coder, and I fucking hate this. Okay, let's get going. Source code is here if you want to follow along. In the system index, we're going to make modifications to the bomb area system. Let's go down here. In top-level constant macros, we have this new section, bomb category list. Bomb category 0 through 3 for spark pin, laser, jacks, and box. So 0 through 3. These are misspellings of these enumerations up here. Let's go down to the next section. In top-level lookup tables, we have a new category, bomb categories lookup. This is a V16 value when it is on the bomb layer, B16, 0 through 15 inclusive for what kind of bomb it is. We're going to convert that to the category of bomb. So what kind of bomb do we have? Converted to the category, C for constant. 0 is a nothing bomb, it's nothingness. So therefore, we're just going to put a trap value of the maximum possible uint 8 right here as the first index. The first 3 non-zero bombs are spark pins. The next 4 bombs are lasers. The next 4 bombs, jacks. The next 4 bombs are box bombs. We're going to make sure that array has exactly 16 elements in it. Here are some misspellings of that lookup table, which are reasonable guesses. Down here in data by system, in the bomb area system data, we're going to scroll down here for a second. And remember these lookup tables, unit test array spark, which is going to be for spawning these 3 spark bombs here, doing a small little simulation and hoping that we get this output shape, right? Unit test array spark, unit test laser, right? Spawn 4 different laser boxes, run a simulation, hope we get this shape, right? We have unit test array jacks right here, right? Spawn 4 different jacks bombs in these locations here, run a simulation on a tiny little 16 by 16 tile map, hope we get this shape, right? Unit test array box, right? Unit test array box, same idea. Capital letters, because now they're box bombs, spawn these 4 box bombs on a blank canvas that's 16 by 16 tiles, run this mini simulation, hope that we get this shape, right? Those lookup tables need to go into a lookup table of lookup tables. So we made this lookup table of lookup tables called unit test array lookup table. And we're going to put the unit test array spark, laser, jacks, and box. These mini tile maps are going in order based on their category. And then right here, we're going to alias this long-ass name to UTA and make sure that when we plug in the enumeration, spark, laser, jacks, and box in the correct order, we should get out spark, laser, jacks, and box mini tile maps. We're out of fucking time. My name's Kanji Coder. Like and subscribe.